Today's program is debate. Topic is English medium or Hindi medium. According to me, Hindi medium is better than English medium. Therefore, nowadays the person very poor, so go Hindi medium and take admission less than English medium fees. And you can see nowadays where army and soldiers are all presidents study by mostly Hindi mediums, and nowadays you can see English medium student not properly reading the book and reading the newspaper and not reading the properly writing. So I think Hindi medium is better than English medium. How can say you Hindi medium is not good?
In English medium good because English medium all parents think send child English medium school. In English medium student usually crack the interview and crack the any exams. Why can't you say?
Excuse me, listen to me. I study by Hindi medium school, and nowadays I speak English. How can say you Hindi medium students not speak English?
I don't saying English Hindi medium can not speak English. I am saying English medium student any post now times any exam crack easily. I am saying.
But any students crack the interview, so Hindi medium students mostly speak English better than English medium students. And now you can see all students Hindi medium school, but speak properly English.
Once again, if you want to become a doctor,
Yeah.
without English, you become a doctor.
No, I am not become a doctor without English, but I am Hindi medium student and speak English.
Excuse me, Yasmin, you are saying that being a Hindi medium school student, you are speaking Hindi. By learning, now you began to speak English. Okay, don't forget about if whenever you read in Hindi medium school, we are studying English. Ma'am, कब से? Till now you began to speak English. Can you tell me?
Since when you?
Since when you began to speak English?
No, I am not saying English medium student not speak English, but in Hindi medium students is speak English and reading a book and become a doctor. I am not saying Hindi medium is not.
So what? Excuse me.
Speak
Nowadays, a student who belongs from English medium school, they are very successful in their life nowadays. For example, Srishti Jayant, sorry, Srishti Deshmukh. She is a IS officer. She used to belong from English medium school. Now she began. Sorry, she is actually she has glorified her parents' name as well as our country name.
You know Divya Tawar?
I know.
She is topper of to 2023. She belongs to Hindi medium, and
I know that. For example, Mr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, he has been a student of English medium. Nowadays, he has glorified the country name. He has written our Indian Constitution, and our Indian Constitution is the one of the best constitution in entire the world.
What do you
Due to
mean?
English medium school.
What do you mean? Hindi medium students are not glorified the country name, parents' name. What do you mean?
Where I am saying Hindi medium school, say student is not glorified the country name.
You know English mediums are teacher study in a Hindi medium college. Therefore he taught in English medium school. You know, how can say Hindi medium students are not good better than English medium students? How can say? And give example. Yes, excuse.
Yasmin is saying English medium is Hindi medium is less fees. Class in less fees.
Yes.
Nowadays Hindi medium is high fees, ma'am.
Is a high fees.
Hindi medium is a high fees and English medium is low fees. Then
Which college?
Hindi medium,
Please tell me which college.
in St. Julius.
In St. Julius.
St. Julius. Hindi medium is book very costly, and English medium book in very cheap. Excuse me, ma'am. NCERT book in English medium in less, and Hindi medium is 1,000 book, 1,000 rupees in chemistry, in bio, in physics.
Excuse me, Preeti, you can say in Hindi medium book is very costly.
Yes.
So you study in inter and high school, you study by Hindi medium school. So how can tell me one book? मैम कितने की है प्राइस what is the cost of Hindi medium book and nowadays you can see first and UKG LKG students you can see one book 3,000 and all books
Yes.
3,000
Go to you. Please go to
300,000 1 kg students how can say you English book is costly Hindi medium.
Okay. I have book NCERT in 12th. In
The cost of book.
mm,
The cost of book.
the cost of book in
1,000.
Okay.
no ma'am, no ma'am, 200 and 200 and in Hindi medium in biology book in 1,000.
Excuse me, please, please tell me, what is your fees? आपकी fees क्या थी?
School fee.
What was your school fees? Please tell me.
It was
It was
100 rupees.
no ma'am.
I agree. Book is costly, but fees is low.
And English medium book is cheap and
Teacher and students.
Excuse me, Prachi.
It is up to teacher and students.
Excuse me.
We are saying that English medium is better than Hindi.
No, if you are
If you are saying
do mistakes, so you punish. Okay. Don't take for granted for in a Hindi medium.
Excuse me, Prachi.
Play flower, dancing class, focus class, enable ADC.
Please tell me which college.
Everything.
Excuse me, Prachi.
So you should go to VBPSSC Inter College.
I don't know where PBS. Excuse me, Prachi. If you read if you study in Hindi medium, you can't any work without a further study. And if you study in English medium, you can do some works and you
Okay.
it's
Okay.
easy to
If you are a student of English medium, so you can teach Hindi medium students.
why not?
No, ma'am. No.
Impossible.
But if you are a student of if you are Hindi medium, so you can teach English medium college.
But English is compulsory, so why English study in Hindi medium? Why? When in the
English is important. English is something, not everything.
Excuse me, nowadays
English is everything.
English, okay. Nowadays our India is the second number for English speaking.
But Hindi medium include English because English is our international language. We are known.
Yeah, I know that English is the air language.
Yes. So in Hindi medium,
I complete
let me come.
that Hindi medium and the interview.
Saying that if we have to preparation of
Hindi medium.
doctor and all, so there is need of physics chemistry. Can you speak physics chemistry? It is a language. It is a language. Excuse me. If you want to speak English, so it is a need. Sorry. Now English is compulsory for everybody. If you know English, so you can do everything. As like
What you can say, Hindi medium students are not successful in engineering and doctor.
successful in life.
So how can say medium is better than Hindi medium. Both are better.
He is student of English medium. Now he is doing job in a BPO company due to English.
भैया हिंदी मीडियम होते हुए मैम स्पाइट ऑफ इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट बट कम हियर लर्निंग बाय इंग्लिश यू कैन
And you can see he was English medium student, therefore he is learning English. Just because English is a compulsory language, therefore
I am not
he
saying
learns
English
English.
is not compulsory, but
Get the chance
Hindi
of
medium is
What are you saying? English is not compulsory.
Give the chance of Om is a English medium student.
I am English medium student, but I like Hindi because Hindi is. I like Hindi medium school because Hindi is better than English.
Excuse me. You are saying why are you learning from English medium school?
Because English medium is English is an international language.
Therefore you are learning.
Yes.
Therefore I am saying that English is compulsory. Therefore you are learning in a English medium school. How can you say English?
Per month.
Less.
No.
Excuse me.
Not less fee.
I
It's a
think
very
that
high
the
fee.
English medium student मैम दारू
Alcohol.
What?
Who said to you Hindi medium students are quenching tobacco? Who said?
I see.
So we see.
All Hindi medium students are hooligans.
It is not a student, it is a playboy. It is not a
They
student.
are totally robots. They are just roaming here and there after studying.
Narendra Modi, that's me.
They are able to run our country very well. Therefore,
What do you mean? Our country is not.
Without translation योगी without translation योगी तो बैठे रहते हैं.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, उनके पास इतने पैसे ही नहीं होते वो. You don't. They don't have such a money, okay?
they have money, they are used. They misuse the money and they are spoiling their career.
very hesitation in society when what कल बारी आती है सोसाइटी में बात करने की
Then they turn to speak English.
when they turn to speak English in society so they have very hesitation but they hesitate but
To speak
to speak and
and to talk with girls and boys.
to talk with girls and boys and they don't have confidence and to speak English even
They don't have confidence
they don't have confidence
to talk
to talk to any other.
That's why
English
English
medium.
is not good.
Yes.
Excuse me, Miss Payal. You are saying if parents are capable to what man पढ़ाना चाहता
And
है.
it's
Want
very
to
important
capable
to
to
further
study.
study
And if parents have no money, even then they are मतलब उनके बच्चे ना their kids are studying in a government college and schools.
Yes.
There is primary school and there is no English.
Behind the institute there is a primary school.
Yes, behind our institute
There is a Hindi medium school.
there is a Hindi medium school.
See the condition.
See the condition.
No regulation, no punctuality. No yes, ma'am. There is punctuality, there is regulation, there is rule.
Let her speak up. You know Atal Bihari Vajpayee College? You know?
Where it is?
Allahabad. Sorry, Lucknow. But ma'am, mostly students, English medium students in coming in Lucknow Atal Bihari Vajpayee College. But ma'am, all students saying for sir and saying for Modi. मैम इसको हिंदी में करवा रहे हैं.
Okay, converted in Hindi.
Convert in Hindi and nowadays this college convert in Hindi.
That's why Hindi medium is
That's why
better.
Hindi medium is better.
Not.